Equality. Introduction. People are naturally unequal in qualities like height, talent, and strength, which cannot be changed. However, inequalities created by society, such as caste, religion, and wealth, can be corrected. Therefore, everyone should be given equal opportunities to develop their abilities and talents. What is equality? Equality is ensuring individuals or groups that are not treated differently or less favorably on the basis of specific protected characteristic, including areas of race, gender, disability, religion or belief, sexual orientation and age. According to Professor Lusky, equality does not mean identity of treatment, the sameness of reward. It means first of all absence of social privilege. On the second, it means that adequate opportunities are laid upon to all. Importance of equality. Equality is a powerful moral and political ideal that says all people have equal value, no matter their caste, color, gender, race, or nationality. Kinds of equality. Social equality, civil equality, political equality, gender equality. Social equality. Social equality means that all citizens are entitled to enjoy equal status in society. There should not be any discrimination of caste, creed, color and race. All should have equal opportunity to develop their personality and to complete goals. Civil equality. Civil equality is enjoyment of civil rights by all citizens. There should not be any discrimination of superior or inferior, the rich or the poor, caste or creed. Equal rights should be available to all the persons and nobody should be denied enjoyment of any rights. Rule of law is in force in England and in the eyes of law all are equal and equal treatment is given to all by the rule of law. In India the same rule of law is followed. Political equality. All the democratic countries including India have guaranteed the political rights to all citizens. It includes right to vote, right to hold public office, right to criticize the government. All citizens in India have equal political rights. Everyone above 18 can vote without discrimination, and each vote has equal value. India granted women voting rights from its first election in 1952, and anyone aged 25 or above can contest elections. Gender equality. Gender equality means both men and women have equal rights and opportunities. They are free to develop their abilities and make their own choices. Women are equally capable and now work in many important fields. So, everyone should be treated equally regardless of gender. UNICEF says gender equality means that women and men, and girls and boys, enjoy the same rights, resources, opportunities and protections. It does not require that girls and boys, or women and men, be same, or that they be treated exactly alike. As of 2017, gender equality is the fifth of 17 Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations. Human dignity. Dignity means self-respect. Human dignity is the most important human right from which all other fundamental rights derive. Dignity is the quality of being honorable, noble and excellent. Every human being should be regarded as a very valuable member of the community. Equality of opportunity and education. All the individuals should have similar chances to receive education. They should have similar opportunities to develop their personality. We need equality to get equal treatment in society. If we treat equality, we can earn respect and dignity. Equality in Indian Constitution. Almost the Constitution all the countries in the world have guaranteed equality. Likewise, the Constitution of India has also guaranteed equality to all citizens by providing Articles from 14 to 18. Article 14 guarantees to all the people equality before law. Article 15 deals with the prohibition of discrimination. Article 16 provides equality of opportunity in matters relating to employment. Article 17 abolishes the practice of untouchability. Article 18 abolishes the titles conferred to citizen. We can promote equality by treating all fairly, creating an inclusive culture, ensuring equal access to opportunities, enabling to develop full potential, making laws and policies, education. Conclusion. India is the largest democratic country in the world. Equality and justice are the pillars of democracy. Justice can be achieved when people are treated equality. Equality is so important because it preserves the dignity of an individual. Equality is an important principle for a society to function.
இது போன்ற பாட வீடியோக்களை மேலும் பார்க்க நம்ம ஃப்ரீ ஹேண்ட்ஸ் லேர்னிங் ஹப் சேனல்ல சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. எங்க ஃப்ரீ ஹேண்ட்ஸ் சாஃப்ட்வேர் பை பண்றதுக்கு ஸ்கிரீன்ல தெரியுற இந்த நம்பருக்கு கால் பண்ணுங்க.